another waiting day. Wow, the temperature went to wow, 100 degrees now. Very dangerous outside at almost 3 o'clock. 100 degrees in June 10th. But he is lucky, he got his container grounded. Sorry, mine was on the bottom. Mine is right here. I waited for 2 hours. I was told by the yard jockey, that guy right at the far end, I was told by him to come back at 3 o'clock. Now it is almost 3:15, which is not bad. Very good estimate. Chassis suffer enormously. It's 40 tons have to be bounced up and down on the chassis. The landing gear gets bent, stuck, and the worst problem is if you watch the whole process, the worst problem is that the frame of the tandem that slides in the frame of the chassis. The frame of the chassis is 53 feet long. The tandem is about 20 feet long. So the smaller frame gets bent badly, and sometimes it becomes impossible to move the tandem. If you watch this process now, this is a 40 tons. Well, suppose now it's about 30 tons because the tractor is not here. Watch the way he drops it. He missed it for the first time. He's going to do it. He's going to do it again. You have to align the 4 pins. The front pins are horizontal, and the rear pins are vertical. So you have to. Watch him, you pull this container, you have to drop the container about 1 foot behind the front pins and slide it in the front first while lifting the back, the tail of the container up. Once he hooks the front, which are horizontal, he drops the rear, which are vertical, right on the rear pins. If you watch him, here is the way it's going to happen. You lift it up, you move it to the side. Here is the process, right? If you watch it the front, yeah, put it with an angle to hook the front. Sometimes he succeeds. Sometimes he doesn't succeed. This is a flawless. This is a flawless drop. This one was very good. He does not have to correct himself. Now he is doing mine. Now this is mine. Can I pull it? I will need a yard jockey to help me here. Let me see how smooth it's going to be. This is the left. Lift it up, move it to the side. drop the front. He's going to slide it. Yeah, when he slide, you have to move. Yeah, oh my goodness, that destroys the landing gear. The way he dragged it, but he dropped it. Does he have to go? That he hammered the landing gear badly. Imagine your knees on the landing gear. The way he dragged it, at least he dropped it.